Today we cleaned the battery terminal bracket. That old before it was corroded, very corroded looking. Had a lot of buildup from the acid from the battery. Removed it. Got it polished up, getting clean and dried it, and then repainted it so that it looks much better now. And then shot some anti-corrosive material onto the battery terminals to make sure that they don't get all corroded looking again and make better contact. Then over here back the factory blow valve controller over there, electronic one, just for the smog test. And that's pretty much it. Just got that, and all the plumbing for the exhaust is all back to factory. Got the every 2-year test with the smog, and it's got to pass visual inspection. So now it's gonna pass. Even looks better, nice and clean. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, and that's today's video. And there's Cheetos, guard dog.